When putting a buy button on your landing page, you could do something as simple as just put a button on there that says buy. Well, probably not. You probably want to try something a little bit nicer. So let's take this opportunity to transform this space on our landing page with some information that'll help people make that decision to buy. First, we can drag in and add some text. We'll put in a headline. We'll make sure we make our headline a little bit bigger and also highlight that anybody purchasing from us is going to get 20% off. We'll add some more text on here in the form of bullet points, kind of giving people a glance of what the product is that they're going to buy. I'll change around the font size for those as well. Add those bullets, and maybe close up that space a little bit. Another thing we want to consider is even changing around imagery. In this example, since we're selling a cookbook, let's swap out this image for something that's a little more related to what we're selling. If you have a physical product, definitely include that. Otherwise, check out our image gallery for a bunch of free stock photos you can use. And now with all that in place, now we can put our buy button on there. But we don't even want it to just say buy. We want it to give a little more incentive, a little bit more personality to it. So we'll say, give me that cookbook and the 20% off. Then we'll adjust the look of that button right in there, maybe kind of make it a little bit bigger and even center it. And now we have a much nicer place that's giving a little bit of information about our product and giving people the option to click a button to buy it. So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.